make something. As you all might not know, my school session is coming to an end, and my grade 3 teacher is retiring and she probably won't teach again. So I'm gonna really miss her, so that's why I decided to make a card for her. Now, I'm telling you, I'm making a giant card. You might not know why I'm making a giant card. It's because, well, I wanted to do something different than getting a card from a store, like getting a card from like Dollarama or Walmart or something, getting like those kind of cards. I want to make a homemade card, and I want to make a giant one, so I'm using a poster board to make my card. So I went to Dollarama the other day, and I'm going to show you things that I got to make the card. The first thing that I got to make the card was these alphabet sticker letters. They have 2 of each alphabet, like they would have 2 of A's, 2 of B's, 2 of C's, 2 of I's. Then I got these glitter glues. These have 6 colors. So the colors are, oh, by the way, I got these things from Dollarama. This is green. It comes with green, blue, dark pink, I guess, yellow, white, and light pink. Or no, purple. That's purple. So those are the glitter glues that I got. And then I kind of wanted to give her something else than just a card. So I decided to look around a little bit, and I found this really nice quote. It says, "Life won't sparkle unless you do." And I just remember that my teacher sparked so much teaching us that this would be a great quote for her. And then I also got this bag from Dollarama to put the gift. I got this bag from Dollarama to put the gift in, the quote. And it says, "A gift for you," and it has fruits. Why did I choose fruits? Here's why I chose fruits. I chose fruits because it's more of summer theme, and it's in last day, and I'm giving her this gift on the last day of school. So that's why I chose this. And the last thing I chose is the best and the obviously needed thing. And then I got this green poster board. Why did I choose green? And why did I choose a poster board? Like I said, this is going to be my card. I'm going to fold it in half. Like I said, I wanted to make something different. So I chose green because it was really bright. It's really bright. And since my teacher's favorite color is green, she'll probably like that too. And last thing, well, I have 2 more things. Is this art set. Earlier, before I picked this up from Michael's to do some crafts, and I'm just going to be using this in the video. And I have my pencil. I really need to show you because I lost it. Okay, now let's start making the card. So, do you like your teacher? I like my teacher. If you like your teacher and you're going to miss her at the end of the school year, subscribe, like, and share. If you don't, then we won't be a part of the same group. But if you do, then we'll be a part of the same group. Now let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the quote and I'm going to take my bag. Sorry, you can't see my face because I'm going to the side. So I'm going to put this in the bag. So first part of the gift, half of the gift is already done. Just put this down here. Alright, now I'm going to start with the thing. I'm going to start with the card. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the tag. So now I'm going to fold the card first. It's so big that it's going to be taking me a long time to fold. Well, not long. So now I folded it. This is how you look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these letters and I'm going to write. And I'm gonna write by Miss Drew, and then from down, and then it's gonna say Miss, and then I'm gonna write you. So let's get started. So I don't know if I have enough space to write Drew. Oh, sorry. No, I don't think I have enough space to write my teacher's, like, you know what we call her instead of Miss, after Miss. So I'm just gonna write it on the side, okay? I'm gonna try not to write it here because it's supposed to say miss you always. Or it's supposed to say miss you. By the way, these little letters have different designs on them. All of them have glitter, I think. I made a like flower, and it has in the middle, the circle is yellow with glitter glue. And then I'm just gonna I put a lot of stickers, and I'm gonna put some more stickers on. So let's put some more stickers on. I'm gonna show it to you. I don't want to. This is how the card looks. Front of the cover. So this is how the front of the card looks. So right now we're gonna take a little bit of a break because we want the glitter glue to dry up. So we're gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna come back to the video, and then I'm gonna start writing. So let's just see if we can write. So now I finished making the card, and this is what it looks like from the front cover. So I added a lot of these stickers, Disney Princess stickers. And I also drew these 3 things. I drew a flower and 2 hearts. And we actually messed up with glitter, so that's why we had to paint over it with paint. And now let's move on to the inside. So on the inside, I wrote, "Dear Miss Drew, you have been a great teacher this year. You have taught me a lot of things this year, but sadly the year has come to an end. You are really special to me because I wrote my first EQ test in your class, and you were the kindest and best teacher that I had from all my teachers. You are really awesome, and you will always stay awesome. Have a happy retirement." And she's retiring. I made a circle right here. I made a circle. This is the other writing, and I made a circle right here, and I wrote, "Have a happy retirement." And then on the other page, I didn't really want to write because I really just didn't want to write. So that's why I wrote Miss Drew equals loving, kind, respectful, caring, clever, playful, smart, neat, trustworthy, fair, easygoing, and the corner on the bottom right corner, I wrote from Trisha Aurora, but your guys, you will see it on the bottom left corner. So this is how it looks. So right here I wrote Miss Drew equals these words. So basically, that's how I made my card for my teacher. You too should make a card for your teacher. It can be a boy or a girl. Make sure to make a card for the last day of school. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye. But make sure to subscribe.